the role of blockchain in enhancing security in travel transactions. In the fast-paced world of travel, security is paramount. With the ever-increasing threat of identity theft, fraud, and data breaches, travelers are becoming more cautious when it comes to sharing their personal information and making transactions online. This is where blockchain technology comes in. Blockchain, most commonly associated with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, has the potential to revolutionize the travel industry by providing enhanced security and transparency in transactions. Unlike traditional centralized systems, blockchain operates on a decentralized network, making it inherently more secure. When it comes to travel transactions, blockchain can provide a secure and immutable record of every transaction made. This means that every time a traveler books a flight, hotel, or rental car, the details of that transaction are recorded on the blockchain and cannot be altered or tampered with. This eliminates the risk of fraudulent activity, ensuring that both the traveler and the service provider can trust the integrity of the transaction. Additionally, blockchain can enhance security by eliminating the need for third-party intermediaries. In traditional travel transactions, intermediaries such as travel agents or online booking platforms act as middlemen between the traveler and the service provider. This introduces an additional layer of risk, as sensitive information is shared with multiple parties. With blockchain, transactions can be conducted directly between the traveler and the service provider, reducing the risk of data breaches or unauthorized access. Furthermore, blockchain can enhance transparency in travel transactions. As each transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it creates a transparent and auditable trail of every step in the travel process. This can be particularly beneficial in cases of disputes or discrepancies, as the blockchain can provide a verifiable record of what transpired. Overall, the role of blockchain in enhancing security in travel transactions is significant. By leveraging decentralized networks, immutable records, and eliminating the need for intermediaries, blockchain technology can provide travelers with peace of mind when making transactions online. With its potential to revolutionize security and transparency in the travel industry, blockchain is poised to reshape the way we book and experience travel in the future. How blockchain ensures transparent and verifiable travel records. Blockchain technology has gained significant attention across various industries, and the travel sector is no exception. One of the key benefits of blockchain in travel is its ability to ensure transparent and verifiable travel records. Traditionally, travel records are stored in centralized systems, making them vulnerable to manipulation and fraudulent activities. However, blockchain introduces a decentralized and immutable ledger system that enhances security and transparency in the travel industry. With blockchain, travel records, such as flight bookings, hotel reservations, and car rentals, can be securely stored in a distributed network of computers, known as nodes. These nodes work together to validate and record transactions, creating a transparent and tamper-proof system. Every transaction or record on the blockchain is timestamped and linked to the previous transaction, forming a chain of blocks. This ensures that once a record is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted without the consensus of the entire network. As a result, travel records become verifiable and trustworthy, reducing the risk of fraud or unauthorized changes. Moreover, blockchain technology enables travelers to have greater control over their personal data. Traditional travel systems often collect and store sensitive information, such as passport details and credit card numbers, in a centralized database. This exposes travelers to the risk of data breaches and identity theft. By leveraging blockchain, travelers can store their personal data in a secure and encrypted manner. They can grant access to specific travel entities, such as airlines or hotels, on a need-to-know basis. This not only enhances privacy but also reduces the reliance on intermediaries for data verification, streamlining the travel process. Additionally, blockchain enables smart contracts in the travel industry, automating various aspects of travel arrangements. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with predefined rules and conditions. For instance, a smart contract can automatically release payment to a hotel upon verifying the traveler's check-in, eliminating the need for manual intervention and reducing the risk of payment disputes. In conclusion, blockchain technology is revolutionizing the travel industry by ensuring transparent and verifiable travel records. With its decentralized nature and immutability, blockchain enhances security, reduces fraud, and empowers travelers with greater control over their personal data. As the adoption of blockchain continues to grow, the future of travel holds a promise of increased efficiency, trust, and a seamless travel experience for all. Case studies, real-life examples of blockchain in action within the travel sector. Blockchain technology is making waves in various industries, and the travel sector is no exception. In this section, we will explore real-life case studies that demonstrate how blockchain is revolutionizing security and transparency within the travel industry. 1. Airline ticketing. Airlines are utilizing blockchain technology to streamline the ticketing process, reduce fraud, and enhance passenger security. For instance, airlines like Air New Zealand have partnered with travel platform Winding Tree to create a decentralized marketplace for ticket distribution. This eliminates the need for intermediaries, reduces costs, and allows for direct and secure transactions between airlines and passengers. 2. Hotel booking and verification. Blockchain is transforming the hotel booking process by offering a more secure and transparent platform. The platform LockChain, for example, uses blockchain to connect travelers directly with hotel owners, eliminating the need for third-party booking platforms. This not only reduces costs but also ensures that booking information remains tamper-proof and easily verifiable. 3. Identity verification. Blockchain can address the challenges of identity verification in the travel industry. Upward, a self-sovereign identity platform, allows travelers to securely store their personal information on the blockchain and share it with relevant parties when needed. This eliminates the need for repetitive identity checks at various stages of travel, enhancing security and efficiency. 4. Luggage tracking. Lost or mishandled luggage is a common issue in the travel industry. Blockchain-based solutions like the SITA Smart Path and the Lufthansa Blockchain Challenge aim to solve this problem by providing a transparent and immutable record of luggage movements. By tracking luggage on the blockchain, airlines can improve accountability, reduce losses, and enhance the overall customer experience. These case studies provide a glimpse into the immense potential of blockchain technology within the travel sector. By leveraging the decentralized and transparent nature of blockchain, travel companies can enhance security, streamline operations, and foster trust among travelers. As blockchain continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications that will reshape the future of travel. Thank you for your interest. To subscribe to our channel and stay updated on all our exciting content, simply click the subscribe button below this video. We look forward to having you as part of our community of travel and tech enthusiasts.